What's going on, guys? It is Bernardo, and today is all about building out our Docker file that we created on the last video. So let's get right into it. Oh, yes, it is finally that time, and we're going to take advantage of that Docker file that we created on the last video. So we left off here, right, within the command prompt. And the command that we need to do to build out our, image, right? Image would be the following. Docker build with a switch of T, and you're going to give the name of your image and also a tag, space, period. I learned the hard way on this. Make sure you put that period, okay? Space, period. So you're going to give the name. The name would be Ubuntu, colon, and whatever tag you want. The tag that I gave my image would be stable, space, period. That period is so important. Trust me, I learned the hard way. It wasn't not working for me until I figured it out. I Googled it and it told me to put a period, right? So hit enter. It's going to start building out. It's going to start pulling what it needs. And eventually it's going to continue going. And it's going to go into the Docker file. And if you saw the last video, some of the commands right here, look close. It's updating. It's getting the zips stuff. It's going to be pulling down all the repository, all the apps, all the net tools, everything that we define within the Docker file. It's going to be doing it here for us. Yes. And eventually you're going to get this. Great. Now, if you head over to your Docker desktop app and you go into images, there goes our image, the name, Ubuntu, the tag, stable, image ID. It automatically generates some crazy thing. And that's it. Look at the size of it. Pretty small for me. And that's it. Hopefully you guys enjoy. Stay tuned for the next video because we're going to start this guy up and we're going to get into our image and create a container. And that's it. Hopefully you guys enjoy and I catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.